आयज पोरोरीमान डकेत जाल्ली आसा चिवदा हायलँड विलांजान कितें सांगपाचें दिसता हेजेर?
Law and security, we need to strengthen in certain pockets. Burglary police station has been doing a good job in terms of ensuring that all-round issues are being handled. पयरूच जेन्ना एक हांगा परवरी झगडी सुद्दां जाल्ली, we have had a meeting with the DYSP, concerned DYSP and the PI, and given them very clear thought process ki we need to ensure that the policing is better, improvised, and as per the expectations of the citizen. शेवटी सेफ्टी अँड सिक्युरिटी मनशाक जाय पडटा आनी ती पुलिसांनी दिवची पडटा. हांगा जी चोरी करपाचो प्रयत्न जो जालो द अटेम्प्ट वॉज बाय सपोजिटली सीसीटीव्हीचेर पयल्यार 4 जाण चोर दिसता, पूण ते आयिल्ले इट लुक्स लायक अ प्री प्लॅन्ड वे ऑफ कमिंग इनसाइड. जवळ जवळ 5 बिला दे ब्रोकन थ्रू. ऑल द पुलिसांनी इमिजिएटली रिस्पॉन्स दिल्लो आसा आनी police are also ensuring that they are getting the footprints and the कुत्र्या काढून ताजे सगळे पळोवन घेता. बट इम्पॉर्टंट आसा की पेट्रोलिंग आणि हे पुलीस करता असताना इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट एज बी आय आज देम लास्ट टाइम टेनन्सी व्हेरिफिकेशन बाकीचे करून घे, पूण हे म्हाका दिसता एज पर द प्रायमरी इंडिकेशन जे आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळा ते सकयल जंगलांतल्यान आयिल्ले म्हणून. आता हो मोडस सिम्स टू बी अ वेल स्टडीड अप्रोच आणि ताज्या खातीर द सोसायटी लायक हायलँड ऑल्सो नीड्स टू स्लायटली पुट थिंग्स टुगेदर फॉर देमसेल्स. कित्याक आमी पुलिसी धुकलता आसतना हांगा स्वता सेक्युरिटी आसा. सेक्युरिटी रातचे आपले काम बऱ्या भरून करतात काय ना, काय दे नीड टू बी चेंज ऑर वेदर दे आर अकाउंटेबल टू द सोसायटी. कित्याक जवळ 7 जाण समज सेक्युरिटी रातचे असतात आणि तरी 4 जाण चोर 5 विलान बसता जाल्यार खंय ना जाल्यार खंय प्रायमरीली यू फील दॅट द सेक्युरिटी मॉनिटरिंग वॉज लिटल ऑन अ लेप्स पार्ट ऑफ इट. Certain other issues of providing better facilities around the compound wall and have been discussed with the society. Highland Society बरोबर पयलींच्यान आमी तांचे issues continuously we have been talking to them and ensuring that they are given that sense of security की चडशे हांगा सिनियर सिटीजन रावता. आणि ताजे खातीर आज परत येवन हे पळयतकर we have asked the PI, the concerned PI Chavan and his team to first finish his investigation. हो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता आसतना बाकी कडेन खंय असले इन्सिडंट जाल्ले आसा, कितें आसा हालींच्या हालीं टोळी खंयची येता, खंयची आयिल्ली आसा आणि प्रयत्न कोण आशिल्लो जाता इतले बेगीन तुम्ही सोदून काडचे पडटले. आय टॉक टू अवर ऑनरेबल सीएम प्लस द कन्सर्न डीजी अँड द एसपी आणि तातूंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता मॉनिटरिंग वाडोवंक जाय, बाकीचे वाडोवंक जाय, हे इम्पॉर्टंट खूप आसा. ना जाल्यार लॉलेस समज जावंक लागले जाल्यार एनीबडी कॅन जम्प इन अँड एनीबडी कॅन जम्प एनीवेअर. सो एक वाटेन एज अ कम्युनिटी आणि आमी एज अ सोसायटी आमी समज सेक्युरिटी दवरता ती सेक्युरिटी सारखी पद्धतशीर काम करता काय ना हे इतलेच महत्वाचे. आणि वी हॅव टू डिपेंड ऑन पुलीस ऑल्सो टू गिव्ह अस द प्रॉपर पोलिसिंग. सो पोलीस इंटेलिजन्स बाकीचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट जसे येतात आय विल पर्सनली लुक इन टू इट आणि एन्श्युअर दॅट ऍक्शन इज बीइंग टेकन टू कॅच द कल्प्रिट्स. कित्याक हे जे 4 जे टोळीन येतात they were supposed to be तांच्या प्रमाणे they were carrying certain सिकल्स आणि बाकीचे कोणाक कितें समज जाल्लें जाल्यार कितें जातलें आशिल्लें. आनी कोण रावता तांच्या घरान वचून तांकां पळोवन आसा ते पळोवन ते धांवल्या. सो खंय ना देअर होल एम सीम टू बी टचिंग विलाज वेर नोबडी वॉज स्टेईंग. सो एखादी ते खंयच्यान आयल्या खंयच्यान गेला हे पोलीस इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कळटकर द पोलीस विल बी एबल टू गिव्ह यू बेटर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन द केस. बट एज फार एज द सेफ्टी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस एरिया इज कन्सर्न, I'm very clear that the device will have to take responsibility with his team, with the PI and his team, to ensure that these areas are mapped, continuous patrolling is done. आणि ज्यांचे कॅरेक्टर समज सारको ना क्रिमिनल व्हेरिफिकेशन करून कोण आसा कोण रावना हे टेनन्सी व्हेरिफिकेशन तशें मेळटा तांकां एकट्याक म्हाका रिपोर्ट करून डिपोर्ट करचे पडटले हांगाच्यान रादर दॅन गिविंग देम अ चान्स टू डू दिस टायप ऑफ इन्सिडेंट्स. पूण हे हांगाचे आयले ते हांगाचे अशें दिसना, ते खंयचे तरी भायले आयिल्ले आसतले ते कोण ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन विल टेल. We are in touch with the Highland Villa authorities and we'll be in touch with them to give them that sense of safety and security.
About 12:15 in the night, last night till about 4 o'clock in the morning or quarter to 4 in the morning, a gang of 5 people entered the complex and they broke into 7 houses into the Highland Villas complex in Porvorim and entered 7 villas, ransacked those houses and finally were chased out by a resident. The last villa they went to that was chased out by the resident and they again jumped the fence and went out. This is the 4th such incident in the last 1 year. Obviously, it seems that Highland Villas has been targeted and we would request the police and the administration to really take strict measures and ensure that this does not get repeated. We have also uh, advised all the residents of this place to be more vigilant, more careful, despite the fact that we have a security in the complex. This incident has happened for the fourth time in less than a year. And therefore, all residents are really concerned. And we would request again the police administration, especially, to bring these culprits to book at the fastest. Thank you.
I'll just add something over here. It's a planned robbery that has taken place in this complex of 7 villas. And I feel the authorities and the government should do something about it. There are a lot of senior citizens that stay in this complex and their lives are in danger. It's high time that the police gets into action. More patrolling, more forceful action, and we require results. That's the need of the hour. What do the citizen want? They just want a peaceful life to live in. And who is responsible for helping us to have a more peaceful life is the police and the administration. We are very grateful to Ron sir who has made a visit here today and who has studied it and who has promised that he will look into it. And I hope the police will take action and no more robberies in this area. More patrolling, more forcefulness. That's the need of the hour. Okay? Otherwise, you will find a big mocha coming to the police station and we will stop the vehicles flowing over there. Do you all want that? We are decent citizens. We love to live our lives to the fullest. So make sure that the police gets into actions and catch the culprits and no more robberies. Thank you.
Sir, today your concerned MLA has come. What do you like to say?
Our MLA has always come whenever we have called him. He has always been with us. And we appreciate that with his busy schedule, he has come today and he has got present to the situation and he has promised that he is going to look personally into it to make sure that we have a more peaceful life in the night.
Just now the press sir says that Highland has been targeted. Why? What is the reason?
Island has been targeted because they feel that our villas are very beautiful. We maintain it well. They feel that this is a target where they can get something from us. Okay?
Yeah. Sir, when we are entering, there is a security post also is there. They are all taking the numbers also. So what do you like to say about your security?
No, we are planning. We are having a meeting at 6 o'clock and we are going to look into that matter and we are going to plan what is our next future step.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.